Elon Musk and Alex Hormozi, the Powerhouse Partnership's hypothetical venture. Elon Musk's tech expertise and Alex Hormozi's business savvy propose a groundbreaking Powerhouse partnership. Imagine their partnership blending Musk's innovations with Hormozi's sales and marketing genius, revolutionizing consumer engagement and market share. Musk's work reshaped industries with electric cars and space travel, demonstrating his legendary work ethic and visionary goals. Hormozi, through acquisition.com, has rapidly scaled businesses, paralleling Musk's focus on high-impact, revenue-driving strategies. Their combined forces could redefine industries, with Musk's technical acumen amplified by Hormozi's mastery of sales and social media. Partnerships surpass traditional work relationships by merging complementary skills, fostering innovation, and empowering shared decision-making. This hypothetical venture underlines the potential of merging visionary technical innovation with strategic business growth, inspiring entrepreneurs to explore similar collaborative dynamics.